me pop up again. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh.
Hey beauties, it's Nikea here. It's been a while. It has been a while since I recorded a sit down video. If you follow me on social media, on Instagram or Facebook, you know that my husband and I recently bought a house in Charlotte, North Carolina. So we are just getting things together. So I wanted to sit down and record this video for you all and just share with you all my updated simple makeup routine. I've just noticed ever since, you know, the panorama and Miss Rona came out, you know, I've been wearing less makeup, especially because we've had to wear a mask. And even when I don't have to wear a mask, I opt for a simpler makeup routine. And I am so happy that I get to incorporate some products from Merit. So they are a clean makeup brand. They are cruelty-free, they are vegan, they are part of the Clean at Sephora program. So I have been looking for ways to simplify my makeup routine. I am so happy to be trying out Merit. They sent it in this cute little makeup bag. How cute is this? I've heard other influencers use Merit, and I've heard, you know, recently conversations about, you know, clean beauty. And I've been really interested in what it's all about. So I get to try out some goodies from Merit and just incorporate that into my normal routine. And I guess I'll just talk to you all about, you know, my simplified makeup routine. But before we get into it, just take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button's gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. So let's just get into this. We're getting into some, you know, minimalist beauty. You know, Merit is all about less is more. So a few things about Merit. What makes it clean is that for your body, it is EU compliant, free of 1,328 common toxins, paraben free and sulfate free. For your skin, it is artificial fragrance free and it's sensitive skin safe. Also for the planet, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, recyclable packaging, reusable makeup bag. You just throw it in the washing machine to, you know, freshen it up. So yeah, I think that's really cool that beauty is shifting and becoming more holistic and conscious, and really less is more. Okay, let me get into my routine. So I don't use primer because I just use my moisturizer as a base, but usually I start with my brows, and I usually like to draw them on with a pencil. And I've never used a pomade before, but let's try it out. And that's one thing I love about clean beauty. It's like skincare and makeup. I like those benefits. But look at this. Even though it's minimalist beauty, it's luxury, like a gold tube. I love the simplicity of it. You know, I like the fact that it includes skincare. Okay, so this is called Brow 1980, and it says it's a nod to like the big brows of the 80s. Let's see, it's a volumizing pomade. Adds color and volume for healthy full brows. The benefits are a natural mineral and kaolin clay base blended with synthetic beeswax. Creates a pliable volumizing coat around the brows to shape and add depth and dimension. The emollient base infused with vitamin B5 adds shine and flexibility to brows while strengthening the hairs over time. See, that's the skincare benefits. That's it right there. It says brush your brows up and out, wiggling the brush to apply more or less where you need it. So it comes in the shades blonde, brown, and black brown. I got brown. Okay, so typically I'll fill in my brows with this pencil from Wet n Wild. I get it from Walmart, it's 99¢. Y'all know me, I'm a simple girl. So I think what I'm gonna do to incorporate this into my look is I'm just going to shape my brows with this, like get the outline. And I'm always trying to get a fuller brow, okay? Period. I wasn't blessed with full brows. Okay, so it says you can let this dry and go back and add a second coat, but this is looking good. Like, that's crazy. All I did was outline my brows. Because, you know, honestly speaking, when I heard of clean beauty, I was like, I'm not gonna get the full coverage. I'm not going to get the look that I want. And honestly, sometimes I don't want full coverage, but I just want to look like myself, but better. And I don't want to have to do the most to get the least. And I feel like with this, just like it says, less is more. So now what I usually do is I go in and clean up my brows. All right, for my brows, I'm gonna use Toffee from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just gonna clean them up at the bottom. And I'm gonna take some more of the pomade and just, actually, honestly, I think my brows are good. I'm gonna take a little bit more, even though I think my brows are good. Merit, you did something. You're on. I like. I'm gonna put this in the makeup bag. Next, it's time for Complexiones. Sienna and Chestnut, yeah, they look the same, but y'all see the difference? This one is lighter. I am going to conceal correct underneath my eyes because as you can see, there's like a little dip and I feel like that just creates a shadow. So I'm gonna conceal there. And I like the fact that it's one product in multiple shades that can be used in different ways. And sometimes I also conceal around my mouth because it can get a little dark. You know, hide the mustache. So that was Sienna. And it does twist up. It has a twist on the bottom. So I like to let my concealer sit for a little bit. All right, this is called the Minimalist Perfecting Skin Stick. It's not a foundation or concealer, they say, it's both. It says just use only where you need it so you can get compliments on your skin and not your makeup. That's the goal, my skin but better, for real, with lighter, cleaner products. Less is more. So the key benefits is the innovative vegan emollient blend mimics the natural moisture found in the skin and acts as a natural conditioner to prevent water loss and leave the most natural skin-like finish. Lightweight emulsifiers create enhanced spreadability and superior wear with minimal product. Tap lightly onto your skin with your fingers, then buff it out using brush number 1 so you can't tell what's you and what's makeup. So it comes in 20 shades. And umber is actually the darkest shade. That's what I have. And I did want to get the darkest shade so that y'all could see, because I'm like a deep tan complexion. So I'm not light skinned, but I'm not dark. I'm like brown. I don't know, but I just know I'm deep tan. So I did want to show y'all the darkest shade. So umber is the darkest shade and we're gonna see how that works out. So I just have my beauty sponge. This one is from Real Techniques and it is damp and I'm just going to take and blend it out. I don't really like to use my fingers. Oh, that blended out really nice. And I like the fact that it says, you know, put it where you need it. So that way it's like you don't feel obligated to put it all over your face. You can literally just treat, you know, specific areas. Cause like it says, like you don't want people to tell like what's your skin and what's not. And that's why I went ahead and concealed first. Cause like I said, most of the time I do not wear all over complexion products. Okay, before we move on to that, I'm gonna take my CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Setting Powder. And this is in the shade Translucent Honey. I've actually had this for a while. And I was like, clean, what does clean mean? This is before clean was even a thing. You know, before it was popular. I've had this. So I've been on the clean wave. I'm lightly tapping it with this brush. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills A23. And I'm just setting it to have to minimize the creasing. Okay, this is the shade Chestnut. I haven't even tested it out, but I just feel like I trust it. All right, let's see how that blends out. This is a Haponesque brush. This is 945. So I'm just gonna blend that out. And then I can see I didn't put any on my nose. I learned from Jackiana, just take the excess and put that on. Y'all, this looks really good. I was like, is this gonna be enough? Oh wow, that just went on like, what? What? Y'all, am I wearing makeup? Am I? Are you sure? This looks good. Recently, I have not been contouring, but I'm gonna contour with umber, just a little bit. Oh, this is the perfect shade for me. I am going to use my e.l.f. concealer in medium beige on my eyes. I'm gonna do like a little slight. This is definitely my skin, but better. I think clean beauty just is gonna be the wave for me because of the simplicity. Then I'm just gonna blend out this contour. All right, I'm taking the shade Booked, which I love to use as a transition shade. And when I'm doing like a minimal look, I promise you, I just be trying to use like 3 shades and be out, maybe even 2. Like I'm just trying to add some definition to my eyes. When you do a little bit, it looks like you did a lot. People gonna be thinking, oh man, you did this, you did that. Another thing I love about, you know, clean beauty and just minimal beauty is that your skin is able to shine through. And I think for me, that's a good benefit because I have naturally oily skin. So no matter what I do, it's gonna be oily. And I've gotten to the point where I just embrace it. Like my skin doesn't get like gross and greasy looking. It's just, you know, I start to glow in the middle of the day. And I feel like clean beauty and minimalist beauty really embraces that. All right, next we have the Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and I have it in the shade Bounce. So this is their highlight here, and I got the rose gold. So I figured that would complement my skin. Yeah, I felt like the other shade was too light. It has two shades, Kava and Bounce, and it's made for daytime. The highlighter gives you dewy, balmy sheen with zero sparkle. It's packed with squalene and olive oil. The gelified base replenishes lost moisture and plumps the skin. A phytosterol and amino acid blend retains moisture and prevents future loss in skin. So you can put this on your cheekbone, brow bones, tip of your nose, and anywhere else you want a little light. So I'm just placing it and then I'll go back and blend it out. I love the fact that it's like not sparkly, it's just legit a glow. I just have a good like summertime glow. A cream cheek and lip tint that I got from BH Cosmetics, and I figured this would go well with the look I'm trying to give, but I just like to take it on my ring finger and then I'll just put it on the apples of my cheeks and take it up. And this is the e.l.f. Volumizing Mascara. Make sure you get those bottom lashes. Okay, I'm feeling myself, y'all. I really am. I use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and this is in medium dark. Bronzing. Warm me up, warm me up, warm me up. Okay, lastly, we have the shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. I have it in the shade Sangria. Y'all know I like to have color. This is Sangria. Beautiful. Y'all, this packaging just gives me luxury high-end vibes. So it's a wash of sheer hydrating color rich with rosehip and grapeseed oil for healthy, never sticky lips. Rosehip oil, shea butter, grapeseed, and avocado oil nourish the lips and replace lost moisture. The polymer gel base locks color and moisture in, preventing color migration and extending the wear. Right, so it comes in 4 shades. We have All Natural, Marrakech, Pink Beach, and Sangria. Sangria is the darkest shade. And I figured, you know, I'm more of a deep tan complexion, so I might need that. And I'm looking back here at the ingredients. Like, I can pronounce most of these, except for the hydroxyhydrocinamate. Oh, this feels so good. And it's actually giving me more pigment on my skin than I thought it would. And I love a lip gloss that I can use, because you ever forget your chapstick and you just be like, ooh, my lips is dry. But it's a lip gloss I can use to actually moisturize my lips. This is it, y'all. This is the look. That's it. That's it. But yes, this is my minimalist look. It took me a long time because I'm explaining the product. But y'all, I really, really like this look. I really like the Merit Beauty products. These are amazing. Full face in one bag. Thank you to Merit Beauty for sending me these products. I love how I can incorporate them into my routine. If you all enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If there's any products that you want to try or want to find out more about, check the links down below. Also, if you want to purchase from Merit, use my link, my affiliate link. Your girl gets a little money if you click that link, so help me out, you know what I'm saying? Support a Black-owned business here by supporting my affiliate link. You can check Merit out at Sephora. They're a part of the Clean at Sephora program. Get more by doing less, okay? Less is more. Clean is in. Minimalist is in, honey, okay? But that is it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
All right, they asking for the queen. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, gadget.